do you do when your garden helper leave your garden tool out in the rain for weeks? We're going to use vinegar to get rid of this rust. Just pour any brand of distilled white vinegar into a jar, let it sit for 24 hours, and the rust just melt away. Okay, no, you got to scrub it away. But at least you don't have to throw this tool out. Check this out. Look. Now, what else can it clean? What about my grill? Yeah, that sits in the rain. No way I can let this sit for 24 hours. I just poured that leftover vinegar water on top of the lid, and look, I begin to rub that rust away. Now it's ready for painting. The next time you have rusty tools or grill, don't throw them out. Just pull out that jug of vinegar.